Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Sagicor says it has entered into a deal with Playa Hotels and Resorts to combine the tourist assets of the two companies. Under the deal, Sagicor will get 20 million Playa shares and $100 million in cash for contributing its portfolio of all-inclusive resorts and developable lands in Jamaica. The transaction, the Sagicor entities and Playa will enter into a residential management contract. In addition, Sagicor will have the right for representation on the Playa board. The Jamaica Public Service Company, JPSCO, is to break ground this week on an energy storage facility which aims to improve the reliability of the grid. The facility, which is to be built at a cost of $2.7 billion, has come necessary with the increased inclusion of renewable energy on the grid. It is to be a 24.5 megawatt facility and will store energy from renewable sources such as wind or solar for use when those sources are not generating electricity. The project is the first of its kind in the region and is scheduled to be completed by April next year. The hunt for oil in Jamaica is about to intensify. Just a week after it was revealed that 2 oil seeps in Trelawney are being explored to determine if they have oil in commercial quantities, the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, says oil exploration in the sea off the south coast is about to go to the next step. The PCJ says Tullow Oil, the British firm which has been working on exploring oil in the past few years, will start the country's first ever 3D seismic survey in Jamaica's offshore next month. The survey signals an intensification of the search for oil and gas. It will be the most advanced and detailed data investigation ever undertaken in Jamaica's offshore. It is normally done if the exploration firm believes it has enough data to move to that level. The work is expected to last 50 days, and then the processing of the data will take between 6 and 12 months. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $127.67. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.57. The pound sterling is costing $175.67, while the euro is going for $154.74. The JSE index fell today by 270 points, while the junior market index lost 11. Stocks posting gains included Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Carreras, ISP Finance, Mayberry Investments, Seprod, and Wisynco Group. On the losing end were 138 Student Living, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostics, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Knutsford Express, NCB Financial Group, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.